So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. So let's see what Euro GBP is actually going to be giving us for the day. So first thing first, we need to know what the trend is, right? So when we know the trend, we are going to be trading with the trend. First, know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. So what can we say our Euro GBP trend is? Very much downtrend, right? So we have three movements, right? We have an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a ranging market move. So this Euro GBP is clearly trending to the downside. So this is to tell you that our Euro GBP is on a downtrend move. Now, guys, take a look at this moment right here. We had the multiple rejection at the top, which is a double top, right? The market was able to drop to form a low. Here comes the lower high. Market then was able to drop again to form a new lower low. This is the lower high, right? Market eventually drop again to form a new lower low. Here comes the lower high, right? Now this is the lower high, right? Market has given us the lower high. So with this lower high, we should be expecting market to drop so it is able to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So guys, a bearish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. So if you are not yet in the sell on your Euro GBP, you would want to be looking to go in for the sell. But if you are in the sell, you can see hold your sell position. The reason is that Euro GBP will definitely drop and we should expect it to drop and give us a new low. So above all, a bearish move is what we should be expecting on Euro GBP. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.